Hello everyone, today we're going to share this delicious recipe with you. It's a rich chocolate cake with cream and some peanut butter with peanuts. So to that we're going to need some flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, oil, coffee, warm coffee, vanilla, salt, and white vinegar. So this is going to be for our cake. This is very moist cake. So if you want some chocolate moist, this is your go-to. To your coffee mixture, and coffee you can do instant coffee, add in the oil, the vinegar, so all the wet ingredients in one bowl, all the dry ingredients in a separate bowl. Really easy. Mix each separate and combine them together. That's it. So mix the dry ingredients as well and pour the liquid into the flour mixture. Mix and combine. We're going to put this into our baking dishes, our baking pans, and we are going to, as I lined them with parchment paper, these are size 8, and we're going to put this to bake on 350 for about 35 minutes or until it's cooked through with a toothpick that comes out clean. Wonderfully, as you can see, it looks moist already and it poofed up. Wonderful. This is like really good taste. And I'm gonna add some dulce de leche for the middle and some peanut butter of peanuts and some peanut butter as well. So for the cream, we're gonna need some butter, cocoa, vanilla, and dulce de leche, which is the caramel, the delicious stuff. So we're going to need that. First, we're going to be beating room temperature butter. And I like to use paddle attachment because it makes the buttercream a lot better than the whisk. So once you get this creamy fluffy, add in your dulce de leche. Once that's creamy, add in your cocoa powder and vanilla. And as you can see, it is done. So perfect. Wonderful. Now let's get to our cooled cakes. Let's slice off the tops to make them straight. And then let's add in our cream. As you can see, it's such a rich cake, such rich flavor of cream. And we're just going to add some little something which is optional for the middle. I wanted to make a little more peanut buttery as peanut butter taste. And some extra caramel for dulce de leche. I pulsed some peanuts, and for extra peanut butter taste, I added some peanut butter into our dulce de leche and our peanuts, and we're just going to center this in the center of our cake. Level it off to make it straight, and this is going to be our little surprise inside in between our cream. And then put the bottom side on top of your next cake. And make sure you level that one off too. So here we have it. Delicious, easy, rich, and it's just perfect. Please like and subscribe. Till